Have you ever tried to install an IPA file on your iPhone or iPad, but suddenly you get errors like unable to install or integrity could not be verified? This usually happens when the certificate is revoked, blacklisted, or blocked on your device. But now, the Unblacklist app is back. With this tool, you can fix the blacklist issue on your iPhone or iPad, refresh your certificate files, and try installing IPA files again using a working certificate. According to the developer, Omega supports iOS 16 and higher. And I also tested it on iOS 26, and it works perfectly on my device. So in this video, I'll show you how to use the new Omega Unblacklist app, so let's get started. Before we run Omega, the first thing you need to do is connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer using a USB cable. For this tutorial, I will show you the installation process using the Windows version. But if you are using a Mac, don't worry. I will also put the Mac guide in the description, so you can follow the correct steps for your device. Now, open your browser and go to the official Omega GitHub page. Before downloading anything, make sure you read the installation instructions carefully. After that, click the green code button. Then click Download Zip. Once the download is complete, next we need to install Python on the computer. Open the Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type Python. Now look for Python 3.12 and install it. Wait until the installation is finished. After Python is installed, now open CMD or command prompt on your computer. You can open it by clicking the Windows search bar, then type CMD and press Enter. Type this command, cd/d. Now we need to go to the Omega folder that you downloaded earlier. First, open the Omega zip file from your Downloads folder. Right-click the zip file, then extract. After extracted, right-click the Omega folder, and then click Copy as Path. After that, go back to Command Prompt. Then add a space and paste the Omega folder path that you copied earlier. After that, press Enter. Now, after Command Prompt is inside the Omega folder, the next step is to run the required commands. Copy the code from the description, then paste it into Command Prompt. I will put all the commands in the video description, so you don't need to type everything manually. After pasting the command, press Enter. Now wait until the installation process is finished. Command Prompt will start installing the required files and dependencies for Omega. This process may take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed and computer performance. Next, after the command is finished, you need to install iTunes on your computer. This step is required because Omega needs the Apple device drivers from iTunes to detect your iPhone or iPad properly. Then download iTunes for Windows. I will insert the link on description. After that, install iTunes like usual. Once iTunes is installed, and run it. After your device is detected in iTunes, close iTunes, but keep your iPhone connected to the computer. Then, you need to turn off Find My iPhone from your device settings. This is required so Omega can restore the partial backup properly. Don't worry, you can turn Find My iPhone back on after the process is finished. Now we can go back to Omega and continue the unblacklist process. Go back to Command Prompt and now copy this command, python-omega.py, then paste it into Command Prompt and press Enter. After that, Omega will start running. Omega will detect your connected iPhone or iPad. When it asks for confirmation, type Continue. Then press Enter. After that, Omega will create a partial backup and restore it to your device. Your device may reboot automatically. Once your iPhone or iPad restarts, the unblacklist process is complete. You can turn Find My iPhone back on and try installing your IPA files again. Once the unblacklist process is successful, now you can try installing ESign, Scarlet, or KSign again from AppleJr. Open Safari on your iPhone or iPad. Then go to the AppleJr website. Then tap Install DNS Profile. When the pop-up appears, tap Allow. Now go to Settings. At the top, you should see Profile downloaded. Tap it, then tap Install. After the DNS is installed, go back to Safari and open the AppleJr website again. Now choose the signing app you want to install. You can install ESign, Scarlet, or KSign. Tap the Install button, then tap Install again when the pop-up appears. Wait until the app appears on your home screen. After the app is installed, open Settings, go to General, then VPN and Device Management. Find the developer certificate, tap it, and trust it. At this point, your device should no longer be blacklisted, and you can start importing and signing IPA files again using a working certificate. And that's it. That's how to use Omega Unblacklist app to fix the blacklist issue on your iPhone or iPad. All the links and commands are in the description, so you can copy everything easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.